ready to go to Chudoro. Still waiting the student, the landlord, and other tenants. This is it. No, we're not worried. We have a service here. See? Take a look.
I found these deep fried banana pancakes. Really good shit. I'll show you later. We'll just have one of those. And then I got hijacked to the potato shop.
Ready to bring the luggage.
This is good.
And some pika pika. Where is it? Can't see it. This one.
But the
Pika.
man needs some protein.
Only have bring that
Xin Chao.
till tomorrow afternoon or stay there. Cheers. Go to the daddy's room. Amazing. Daddy's still watching TV.
Let's see.
It's already prepared to go out. That's it, Daddy. While we're waiting, okay? Daddy prepared to go out. So I'll show you the scenery here at Puerto Galera.
These are nice. Yes. How much?
Going to other beaches and
How
hot
much?
spring today. With Daddy
This is not even
Shane
real.
Laurencio.
What brand is this?
Yeah, Korea, mate.
Huh?
Korea.
Korea.
I don't have it.
Daddy
This is
watching TV.
Ray-Ban?
And then, of
Where is that?
course, I'm only talking myself.
It isn't. This is not real.
Make in Korea anything, not Italy.
Yeah, this one I'm making. I'm not bring
You
this.
see,
I
this
want
is
to
how the
make
logo looks. You see?
so many first before
The
I
logo
sell
there?
it. Okay.
It doesn't look like this.
And there is a partners here.
You understand?
I'll show you.
You understand? This is not the
This
original.
is the partner.
No. So fake.
Yeah. You wanna buy something? That's what I'm making here.
Okay. Okay. How much you say? The price?
Necklace and earring and some this one. It's only Thailand plated. Not so expensive. It's good for the for wearing swimsuit. Chocolate swimsuit here. Okay. That's it. And I still have a lot of stuff that I can sold out. Now I want to make it so many first. Need capital. I put my clothes in here in a moment. Just a moment. That's it. Oh, the partner of my phone. Because it's broken. That's what I'm using. To comb my hair. That's it. Because I'm Kikai. See you guys. See you to the next video.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, that's our life in here. So my kids, of course, they are happy while watching me on YouTube. So even though they miss me, you just watch me at TV. You can watch me there and daddy. See you guys.